Are you tired of fumbling with complex camera settings while trying to capture life's fleeting moments? Fear not, fellow shutterbugs. Point-and-shoot cameras are back, and they're here to rescue you from the tangled web of DSLRs and mirrorless systems. These handy little gadgets are perfect for anyone who wants to snap stunning photos without a degree in photography. Because let's be honest, your pet cactus doesn't care about aperture settings. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best point-and-shoot cameras on the market, ensuring you're equipped to capture the magic in every mundane moment. Get ready to click and grin. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpic.com. Like this video? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Kodak Pixpro FZ55, our pick for best budget point-and-shoot camera. Are you on the hunt for a budget-friendly point-and-shoot camera without breaking the bank? Well, let me introduce you to the Kodak FZ55, the little gem that proves you doesn't need to empty your wallet for decent snaps. At this price, you might expect a glorified paperweight, but fear not. The FZ55 delivers photos that are perfectly acceptable, even if it won't make you a master photographer overnight. What sets the FZ55 apart, you ask? It boasts a built-in 5x motorized zoom, more zoom than your average smartphone can muster. So while your friend is squinting at a blurry shot of a distant subject, you'll be capturing them in glorious detail. Plus, let's not forget the delightful retro charm it radiates, taking you back to the early days of digital photography when pocket cameras ruled the world. Let's break down the specs. A compact design featuring a 12.3-inch sensor, 16.7 megapixels, and a 28 to 140 mm lens. The 2.7-inch LCD screen is your window to memories in the making, and while it lacks a viewfinder, which needs vintage fussiness anyway, with full HD video capabilities, you're all set to document life's shenanigans too. So, if you're a beginner looking to explore the world of photography without a steep learning curve, the Kodak FZ55 might just be your new best friend. Number 4. Sony ZV-1F, our pick for best point-and-shoot camera for video and vlogging. The Sony ZV-1F is your new vlogging sidekick that just so happens to double as a charming little point-and-shoot. This compact powerhouse is lightweight enough to fit in your pocket. No more bulky cameras ruining your outfit. You'll appreciate the easy-as-pie usability and the flip-out screen, perfect for capturing your best angles. With a fancy 1-inch sensor, this camera won't shy away from low-light conditions, unlike your trusty smartphone that tends to turn everything into a blurry mess at dusk. Now, the fixed 20mm f2 lens might initially feel a tad limiting, but embrace the challenge. It's an excellent way to sharpen your composition skills and elevate your photography game. While it might not boast the best stabilization, fear not. The ZV-1F makes up for it with speedy eye autofocus and a max continuous burst speed of 24 frames per second, perfect for those spontaneous moments that demand to be captured. In a world where point-and-shoots are becoming as rare as unicorns, you'll find the leap in quality from your phone to the ZV-1F is nothing short of magical. Whether you're off on holiday, enjoying a day trip, or making memories on a night out, this little gem is ready to elevate your visual storytelling. Grab it and start capturing life in stunning detail. Still searching for the perfect point-and-shoot camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Instax Mini1, our pick for best instant point-and-shoot camera. There's an undeniable magic that happens when an instant camera whirs to life and spits out a photo, like watching a miniature magician at work. Enter the Instax Mini1, your new partner in crime for creating memories on the fly. Sure, the prints might not have the same pristine polish as your smartphone snaps, but isn't that where the charm lies? These aren't just photos, they're little pieces of nostalgia waiting to happen. Equipped with a nifty fixed 60mm lens and an f12.7 aperture, this beauty captures everything from indoor family gatherings to spontaneous selfies. Just flips that lens to selfie mode and voila! You're all set for close-ups with friends. It even has a built-in flash, perfect for those once-in-a-lifetime moments when the lighting is less than perfect. I recently unleashed this gem on my nieces and nephews, all under 12, who squealed with delight as they clicked away. Watching their excitement was just as satisfying as the prints themselves. They dashed around showing off their captures, giddy with pride. And while a few were a tad impatient, they all managed to snap clear and sharp photos. So grab your Instax Mini1 and get ready to capture life's delightful chaos, one instant print at a time. Trust us, you'll cherish these imperfect, magical moments. Number 2. Olympus Tough TG6, our pick for best waterproof point-and-shoot camera. Are you ready to elevate your photography without the stress of fragile gear? Say hello to your new best buddy, the ultimate point-and-shoot camera that's ready for your wildest escapades. It's waterproof up to a jaw-dropping 50 feet, dust-proof for those sun-soaked beach days, and crush-proof up to 220 pounds. Yes, you can plop down on it after a long hike without a worry in the world. Seriously, most compact cameras would buckle under that kind of pressure, but not this superhero. Now about those snapshots you'll capture. It may flaunt a 12-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, which might sound unassuming, but don't let that fool you. With its versatile 4x zoom lens, you're all set to snap stunning landscapes or cheeky selfies that will have your friends begging for more. And if you find yourself head over heels for this trusty companion, who can blame you? Olympus has a treasure trove of accessories ready for your adventure-loving soul. Think action mounts for the thrill seekers and underwater lights for those unforgettable ocean dives. At just 8.92 ounces and measuring a compact 4.45 by 2.6 by 1.28 inches, it's the perfect weight to toss in your bag. Light enough for every adventure and tough enough to come back for more. So gear up, grab your camera, and get ready to unleash the photographer in you. The adventure of a lifetime is waiting. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Sony RX100 VII, our pick for best point-and-shoot camera overall. If you're on the hunt for a pocket-sized power player in the photography world, the Sony RX100 VII is your golden ticket. Seriously. This compact wonder packs a serious punch with its large 1-inch sensor, delivering jaw-dropping image quality that'll have your Instagram followers wondering if you hired a pro. Let's talk autofocus. This little beast boasts the best in the point-and-shoot game, making it a breeze to capture your energetic cousin mid-sneeze at the family reunion, or that squirrel that thinks it's a runway model. With a versatile 24 to 200mm equivalent lens, you're covered, whether you're snapping wide landscapes or closeting in on that dashing sunset. And did we mention it shoots in glorious 4K? Yep, your travel vlogs are about to go from meh to wow. Did you film that with a Hollywood crew? Now, we won't sugarcoat it. The price tag is a bit spicy for a point and shoot, but quality doesn't come cheap, my friend. For the level of features and performance packed in this tiny titan, it may just be the best investment you ever make in your photography journey. So, are you ready to elevate your photo game with a camera that fits snugly in your pocket? The Sony RX100 VII is just waiting for you to unbox it and unleash your inner photographer. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best point-and-shoot cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which point-and-shoot camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.